Okay, I thought I could show you a old, nice working machine. It's a backhoe from Volvo. I don't know exactly what year it is made, but probably in the late 60s, 70s. If someone knows, please comment. It's a backhoe, two-wheel drive, with a pretty long boom to the arm here, with a big bucket. Not fast, visible. But what should you expect from such an old machine? Big bucket. Hydraulics. I don't know if you can hear me at all, but enjoy the pictures. I don't know, I have a pretty big interest. I like knives, I like military stuff, I like history, I like machines, I like farming. So my videos are going to be a pretty wide field of stuff, so I hope at least you enjoy some of the videos. If you like knives, you maybe not gonna enjoy these videos like this and the other way around, so I hope you like them. Yeah, same as here. Here is a fast. You can change buckets pretty fast if you want to. Pretty wide tires for being on such an old tractor or backhoe. The engine and the back side of the front side here on the tractor is the same as on the older loaders from Volvo. Them with steering in the rear. I don't know if you can get the big bucket here from here. I have to go now.